Rankeet.
Yes,
Rankeet,
ma'am.
you have joined Rajeev Classes in test series course.
Yeah.
So since how long, you're attached with our institute?
Well, it's like 3 to 2 months like that.
Okay.
I have been attached to Rajeev Classes and I have been giving the exams and the tests that have been conducted in the institute regularly.
So, giving the test, how are you feeling? Is there any progress you're finding?
Yeah, surely. Actually, practice makes a man perfect. That's a quote. And on the test series, so many tests and the exams and the level of the questions that are being provided to us is making me go on and on to practice. And yes, it is helping me.
How many tests you have given till now?
Well, in this 3 to 2 months, I have given over 10 to 12 tests already.
So you're thinking it's really beneficial, giving this test. It's really helping you.
Yes, it's really helping me. More than that, my staying place is quite a distance from here.
Okay.
But coming over here, giving the exams and getting the results on my hand is making the difference. It's really making me feel like my efforts are coming into colors.
See, Rankeet, you have not studied in our institute, okay? But you're coming here. So would you like to share something about Rajeev Classes? You're coming here, you can see the students, they are studying, okay? So anything if you want to just share with us.
Well, from the first day I have seen people are really very serious who are studying in this institute. And as soon as I got to mix with them, well, I have myself learned that how they have approached the NEET strategy. Means without the institute, I would have only studied on my own way. But mixing with them, talking to them, and even performing the tests, I have learned the strategies and their coping up methods, and really your faculties are very much friendly. Means I don't study over here, still they value my opinions and my doubts. So yeah, it's really nice for me.
Thank you, Rankeet. And suppose if you come across anybody who wants to join Rajeev Class, or maybe you tell him, okay.
Oh.
So what would you tell him
Well,
about Rajeev Classes?
If any student comes in contact with me to join Rajeev class, well, I would ask them to join the class with the motivation to only crack NEET. I will not say them to get hypertense or stressed out or in that way. Because Rajeev Classes has given me the environment in which I can really study and get the opportunity to crack NEET. And I'm quite sure that it is not only NEET, it is also IIT or JEE, that the environment is also nice and helpful for the students. So anybody who is willing to get admission into this institute, I will tell, don't wait, hurry up.
Okay, Rankeet, and I think you stay a bit far off from Rajeev Classes, okay. Though you're not studying here, you're just giving the exams. So do you think distance matters? In case if anybody wants to join Rajeev Classes, maybe for test series or maybe for crash course or maybe for a complete course.
Well,
so do you think distance is any criteria?
Seriously, in the first week I faced a bit of problem because a distance was a problem for me at the first. But gradually I overcome the problem because of thinking of the mindset that I am getting benefited by this journey. Means coming over here, giving the test, preparing myself, and coming across the variety of questions that are being provided. Yeah, that has helped me. So distance is not a matter for me now.
Thank you so much.